Welcome back to the Lowdown Lounge. We're continuing our adventure. To me, it was like 10 minutes ago. For you, it's about a week, maybe more. But if you watched our last video, we stayed at a monastery. We stealth camped in the back of our RAV4. If you haven't watched that video, go watch that. It was a lot of fun and it was very interesting. And we learned a lot as far as how to stealth camp in this thing. And we figured out there's some tweaks, some little adjustments we need to make as far as making it better if we want to stealth camp again. For this trip, we are going to stay in a small Airbnb. It is a shipping container that has bunny rabbits and chickens that you can go in the back and feed and pet. We've stayed there before and it was a lot of fun, and we definitely wanted to go back, and we have the opportunity to go back, and we want to show y'all what it's all about. The owner, he does a lot of 3D printing. This is our vehicle gnome. I know it's not going to show up very well, but it's what we got as a gift for staying at this guy's Airbnb. And I'm hoping I can get another one so I can put it in my truck. This is the second time we've had to slow down. We're almost to Florida, but there's a wreck up here. So Kirsten's hungry, and we're stopping at Gator's Dockside in Lake City, Florida. Let's go see if they got any good food. Got me some tacos. She got fish and chips and some coleslaw that she doesn't like. See if these tacos are any good. Very good.
Is it everybody separate?
Hot.
It's good though.
Very good. These tacos are good. What do we have here?
I don't know what it's called, but it's pretzels and ice cream and powdered sugar. I don't even know how to do this.
Figure it out. Is it hot?
It's warm. These are. I don't. That's frozen. The powdered sugar is good. I just got it everywhere.
I don't think anybody expects you to keep clean with powdered sugar.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see here. That's good.
I've never seen this before.
It's a good mixture.
I like it.
Oh, I'm stuffed. The food was really good.
The dessert was the best.
The pretzel and ice cream combination was
good. And powdered sugar. Don't forget.
had a little bit of powdered sugar on it. She doesn't like caramel, so she asked not to have the caramel on it.
There was supposed to be chocolate, but they didn't put chocolate on it.
Yeah.
Look, we got 2.5 hours.
Woo woo. Okay. I'm ready to get to the Airbnb and take a shower.
I know, me too.
It's hot. I'm about to take this hoodie off. She just took hers off, so you know it's warm. As soon as we get to Florida, it's 70 degrees. We're like 5 minutes away from the Airbnb. I am so ready.
We made it.
Yes, we did. All right, let's go look it over. So it's a little hole in the wall. Following you. The chickens are out.
Oh. That's different.
So it's like a huge garden. It's pretty cool. And pretty much every statue, every sculpture is 3D printed. So we have that. I'll show you this one over here. This one's pretty cool. 3D printed. 3D printed. A lot of stuff.
The bunny.
Yep. Some of the bunny rabbits don't have to stay in the pen. They can be out here. A couple of them sleep underneath the container. The last time we were here, he had a huge sculpture right there. But I'll show you Groot real quick.
Chicken
3D printed. I don't know. But the big sculpture that was over here was basically a more scarier version of this guy. We have access to a hot tub. We have a staircase that goes up. There's a chicken. And all the bunny rabbits you can pet, you can feed. And then back here is a bunch of bunny rabbits and chickens that are in a pen, and that coop is new. I wasn't here the last time. Let's go check out the inside.
Look, we get 2 this time. That's like the thing that used to be out here.
He's got a miniature one right there.
Yeah.
Why is this red?
I don't know. That's what color he picked, I guess.
Here, you can have that. I'll get the owl.
I just gotta get the little fuzzies off.
Yeah. So whenever you stay here, he provides these little sculptures.
3D printed sculpture things.
3D printed sculpture things, just as
now
a
we
perk
have
for staying.
3.
Yeah, one for my truck, one for her.
Cool.
Let's go inside. So it's quite small, but it's not supposed to be anything.
It's called a tiny house.
Yeah, it's a tiny house. Where's the light switch for the bathroom? So we have queen size bed. Got a little tablet you can play on, watch movies, whatever. A little kitchen area with a small fridge, microwave, a coffee maker. And the last thing to check out is the greenhouse, which I'm surprised Kirsten hasn't gone to yet. 3D printed. A lot of the artwork out here is just 3D printed. Yeah. We have, I don't know if all this stuff out here is 3D printed. Looks a little shiny.
I don't think that is.
But
I don't know.
go on in. The Snorlax.
Like this is 3D printed.
Yeah, that dragon right there, it's pretty
Awesome,
cool.
dude. Yeah. Pretty cool. This is 3D printed. Little face. They've got crystals too. I don't know a lot about crystals, but it's cool. They got all their crystals over here. There. All that stuff. But yeah, we came here just about a year ago. Anyways, this is the coolest Airbnb we have ever stayed at, in, my opinion. And we've stayed at several. But it just has so much. Like, you can literally just wander around this property and keep finding stuff. There's another 3D printed thing. And the owner makes all the 3D printed stuff the owner made. So, it's pretty neat though. And there's plants galore. I don't know what that is, but it's cool. Last time, and I'm sure this time, because it looks like some of the stuff has changed. Some of the decorations are different. So I will probably be wandering around again, looking at everything. What's changed, what's the same. Last time there wasn't a chicken out, just roaming around like this one. I don't know if he's supposed to be out. They do keep a couple bunnies out that can roam. A little koi pond. It's kind of dark, so I don't know if I can see any, but I'm assuming they're still in there. I don't know though. Yeah, that's 3D printed. That's cool. And the roosters. And the random chicken. And I don't know what this guy is, but he is a 3D print of something. And there's lots of cactuses around, so you gotta be careful. And there's a big cactus, a big one. That one's cool though. I really like that one. I think the chicken's friendly. He keeps coming nearby. So I feel like, yeah, see, he's following. I wonder. You gonna come here? I don't have anything. Oh yeah, he's coming pretty close. It's just a leaf. I don't have anything else. I'm sorry. I'd give you something if I had it. Yeah. Oh wow. Some more cactuses, and I don't know what that is. But okay, they give you stuff. So they give you a little feed. I'll give you some in just a second, buddy. Oh my god. Wow. So you just get out like, oh. Hi. Are you hungry? Okay. You scared me. Let me give you some food. Hang on. I didn't know you could jump up like that. You jump up like that? Okay. I thought you were supposed to stay in your pen. Jeez. You are hungry. Yeah. Alright, let me give some to your little friend down here. Nope, you're scared? Okay, sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. Go back to eating. Yep. Yeah. Yep, it's in there. Go. Yep. For the bunnies, they give you like carrots to feed the bunnies with, and then the chickens obviously get this, whatever it is, corn, I don't know, bird seed stuff. You're hungry, huh? Yeah? Yep, that's all I got, dude. Where did he go? I think I scared him a while ago. Didn't mean to. Oh. Maybe he's over there. Do you see the chicken? Oh, there he is. I was gonna feed him. I wanted to feed the chicken. Oh, you didn't like it? Oh, rude. Up here? Oh, well, okay.
See the worm?
Yeah. I thought it was like falling off a while ago.
Whatever it
Did you
is.
see the little sound bowl thing?
Yeah.
I don't actually know what you call it, but sound bath?
Whatever.
Oh. I think we're just gonna chill here for now anyways. Oh! Ow! Dang! Hit my elbow. We're about to run to Walmart. Oh, that hurt. And then get food afterwards.
Did you feed them yet?
No. Oh, I see them. There's one over there. Okay, yeah, they were in there.
Lizard!
What? Oh,
this stuff stinks.
oh, let's see. There we go. There's at least three or four. Yeah.
White.
Yeah. That was pretty. Would not want to step on that thing. For sure. We just got back from Walmart. Where are we going now?
KFC.
We're back at the Airbnb and I've got my KFC. I'm gonna see if I can't talk Seth into starting this fire pit up, but I don't know, we'll see. So.
Very nice. Oh my goodness. That is really nice. We're gonna relax in here for a minute. Catch you on a little bit. Good morning. She slept really well. I slept okay. Rooster started crowing about 2:30, 3 o'clock, something like that. But that's what time I normally get up. Are you gonna feed them?
Yeah, I got farmer.
She wants to feed the animals some carrots. So at this Airbnb, you can feed them and pet them.
No. You don't want to come in here?
There's the bunny rabbit.
Oh gosh. Get some of that chicken feed. I'm sorry, this one's not yours. There you go. There we go. Oh, yeah. I got carrot. This is the first time maybe a chicken's ever eaten out of my hand. I don't remember doing this last year. I just remember the carrots. You took one yesterday. Come on. You don't want it? You're not hungry? Oh. He says, I'm good.
Come on. All we're gonna do is kind of chill today. We've got to be out of here at 10 or by 10. So we're probably gonna go eat some breakfast somewhere and then find a coffee shop. It's just so peaceful here. We are packed up back in the car. Today we've got to figure out what we're gonna do. We don't really know. But as far as right now, we're gonna go get some breakfast. We've officially figured out what the name of the city is called, this area. We were calling it Ybor City. That is incorrect, and we now know it is incorrect. It is Ybor, so it's spelled Y-B-O-R, and it says pronunciated Ybor.
I don't like it.
I don't like it either. I like Ybor City better, but Ybor is its name.
I know. Enter number of hours.
One,
This one?
2. Ybor City is known for its chickens. They got roosters all over the place.
What's this place called? Blind something.
King something.
I don't know.
Tiger something.
Yeah, we're at a local coffee shop here in Ybor City. And I just got a cappuccino, but what'd you get?
Cafe con leche.
What are you eating?
Cinnamon cake. Cinnamon coffee cake.
It looks good. Is it good?
Yeah, what?
Even if I'm on my phone doing something, there's no notifications. They're all off, bro. They don't exist.
There's only 2.
Because they say like the dopamine.
Okay.
You know the only one I have is the Ring cameras because it's my house, my family.
I only have my team.
Oh, no.
My team stuff, but
That's it.
no other.
I train my team. I said if
That's
you
not
have
bad.
an emergency, call. Because
It's
it'll go
just
through my
text messages.
I was like, call me if there's an emergency. You're not gonna get a text
More than I
back.
expected.
If you want a message back, 11 and 3, and then these are the type
You
of
can't hear those
messages
roosters
that
over there.
You better come with the
We have
solution.
Roosterville.
Don't come with
Oh, yeah.
no, like,
They're everywhere. They were out here a minute ago, but I didn't get the camera up in time. So we're just hanging out here. Okay, so what'd you do a while ago?
Called over the roosters. I did this to the roosters and they came right over.
I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's just chickens everywhere. Well, roosters, I should say.
This is a big one.
This big.
They just roam freely. They get to do what they want.
Yep. This is their town. We're just visiting.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. We will have the links in the description for the Airbnb. If you want to book the Airbnb, it's a lot of fun. It's worth it. It's
yeah.
definitely worth it.
Yeah.